in the front row.
I broke a few hearts or two, a couple too many times. I let good things go up in flames, they blow up like dynamite. If I'm being honest, no, I got a problem. No one made me wanna change. Then there was you, it feels so new. I just wanna get this right. No, I'm not a role model. Nothing ever seems to last. Baby, now that I got it, I'll be better with you. I'll be better with you. Now that I got it. No, I'm not a role model. That I got it. Can't help myself, I like myself way more when you're by my side. Just stay the night, it's been a while. You're not like those other guys. If I'm being honest, you're all that I wanted, cause you make me wanna change. I broke a few hearts or two, now I'm gonna get this right. No, I'm not a role model. Nothing ever seems to last. Baby, now that I got it, I'll be better with you. I'll be better with you. Now that I got it. No, I'm not a role model. Now that I got it. I'll be better with you. I'll be better with you. Now that I got it. I broke a few hearts or two, a couple too many times. I let good things go up in flames, they blow up like dynamite. If I'm being honest, no, I got a problem. No one made me wanna change. Then there was you, it feels so new. I just wanna get this right. No, I'm not a role model. Nothing ever seems to last. Baby, now that I got it, I'll be better with you. I'll be better with you. Now that I got it. No, I'm not a role model. That I got it. Can't help myself, I like myself way more when you're by my side. Just stay the night, it's been a while. You're not like those other guys. If I'm being honest, you're all that I wanted, cause you make me wanna change.
Okay, I think I need a little bit more layers in the hair. Okay, I'm not mad at this. I like this. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This hair is amazing. Let me get the hair details for you guys. This is a 24-inch straight 4x4 closure. If any of y'all were wondering like, oh, all your reviews are good, girl, no. if my review for the hair is bad, the video just doesn't get posted. I'm not even about to sit there and waste my time trying to edit a video for hair that isn't good. So if I post a video, trust and believe that I actually like the hair, okay? This is from Vivi Babi hair. I just wanted to pop in for a second and tell you guys one thing that has been bugging me about this wig, and that is the little like ear tab piece right here. It doesn't quite fit my ear, so it kind of like, it doesn't cut into my ear, but it's a bit irritating. But as far as that, that's the only thing that's been bothering me. I think this would probably suit somebody with a smaller head better, but for me personally, it's just a tad bit irritating, and that is the only problem I've had with this hair. Yeah, go cop you a wig and put some curtain bangs in it. It's worth a try. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. They'll be in the description box down below. That is all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.